Now, HDFC chairman Deepak Parekh says he believes there's a strong case for the Reserve Bank of India to cut its key policy rate by a quarter percentage point in January. He says he expects the central bank to slash rates by as much as 150 basis points through the course of 2013. Here are excerpts of an exclusive chat he had with Sandeep Gurumurthy.
There is a huge clamor from all over that interest rates should be. And I'm quite optimistic that in the calendar year 13, we'll see a 100 to 150 basis points drop in interest rates during the year, not immediately in January, maybe a 25 basis points in January.
With the banking amendment bill being cleared by the parliament, now the central bank is expected to speed up clearances for new banks. What is your view? Do you think large industrial houses should get a banking license?
I think it's the Reserve Bank, up to the Reserve Bank to take a decision. All large industrial houses have large NBFCs. And the NBFCs have been growing rapidly. So obviously there is a desire by some of the large business houses to convert the NBFCs into banks. So I think conversion of NBFCs into banks should be permitted. And again, the government can, RBI can come out that the promoters cannot hold more than a certain percentage after a period of time or something. So I think we have waited too long for new bank licenses. The policy has, the government wants new banks. Now, so I think the Reserve Bank you will see new bank licenses being given in 13.